weather's good. I'm trying to move over here. Real. It's been a minute since I uploaded, but I had to get some shit together. I was doing some numbers though when I left, but hopefully I can get that consistent. Get it back going how I had it. I'm about to go over here to the Nike. It's like the LA base campus. See what's going on. Yeah. There's that. It's been a little minute, you know, we still on that monster. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Made some upgrades. We're gonna do a little bike check. So right now, you know, I'm pretty much modded almost everything. I got these Salt Plus bars, 4-piece, like 9, I think they're like 9.5 bars. Profile stem. You know, custom cap. I got, let's see, Shimano. Are these Dior's? I don't know if these are Dior's. They're called MT4100 or no, BLM. What are they called? There it is, BLM 4100. We got, you know, profile hugs on it, hookworms. Right Out Supply sticker kit. Need to get that redone. Thompson seat posts, SE clamp, SEX City Grounds seat. This seat is like really grippy, and it's also only like 15 bucks on City Grounds. Got some Crank Bros stamp. Which ones are these? These might be like stamp 3s or something. I don't know. I got a Hope chain ring, stock cranks. On here we have a, what chain is this? This is a Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain. Profile in the back. SE chain tensioners. And what else? I think that's pretty much it as far as mods. Getting it cracking, man. Getting it cracking. Clean ass bike though.